good people, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. I'm not doing fine, guys. I have a very bad cold, or is it a flu? How can we call it? Has this cold reached you? For me, I can't even walk past 3 people. Someone must, cough. Yeah, so 2 days ago, that is when this flu attacked me. And as of yesterday, guys, I couldn't even speak. I could not talk to anyone, including through a phone call. Could not even talk. So that is why I decided to share what I did yesterday. I made a concoction which actually relieved me. So I want to share this recipe with you. It includes the usual lemon and some other ingredients which actually helped me. So for those who might be wondering, my name is Faiza. I do easy homemade recipes on this YouTube channel and some homemaking videos, plus a bit of lifestyle here and there. So if you love such content, this is the place for you. Please remember to like the video, remember to subscribe and join this small family. So for the ingredients, guys, we have our mint leaves right here, we have our ginger, we have our 2 pieces of garlic, we have 2 these are large lemons, we have honey to taste, we do have turmeric, and we have cinnamon. So guys, I'm not adding the maganda, the peelings or the what, because this doesn't have any benefits. The juice is what's got benefits for us. So next we're going to add cinnamon, just a quarter of it. That's enough. And then turmeric. That's good. Yeah, and then add water. That's enough for me. This is like 2 or 3 cups. So I'm going to boil this for maybe 10 minutes until it gives a good boil. You need it to boil really well. Yeah, 100 degrees. So next we're going to sieve our mixture into our cup. And then we're going to add our honey. We're going to add 4 teaspoons of honey. This honey, 4 teaspoons. Now guys, what are the benefits of honey? Honey is a natural sweetener. Yeah, so honey is a natural sweetener. That's why we are using honey. So mix that well. After mixing, you can put your mint. Is the mint right there. Yeah, so like that. So I'm gonna be extra, you know. Going to add a slice of lemon up there, and there is our mixture. Really nice. And so now guys, it's time to have a taste of our delicious, you know, concoction. Yeah, just really good. You know, I wanna burn that throat. Can feel the turmeric and the cinnamon on my throat, plus the ginger actually. Yeah. So what are the benefits of these ingredients? The cinnamon, the turmeric and the garlic, they contain the antibacterial benefits, antiviral and antifungal. You know, and lemon is good for your, you know, your system. And as honey is a natural sweetener. Mint also has its benefits, and that is antibacterial too. Yeah, so this is really good, and I'm quite sure by tomorrow I will be okay. So guys, if you have a cold, try this recipe out, and I'm sure you're going to love it. So please, if you've not subscribed and you've watched to the end, kindly consider hitting that subscribe button and the like button as well. Yes guys, so thank you for watching. See you in the next episode or the next video. Bye bye.